Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable touchpad on laptop Windows 11 without mouse. So first you need to press Windows key and I to open setting. Okay, it is open in the setting. Now you need to tab key to go through these settings, because we can't use mouse from here. Press the tab key. You can see it is selecting like this. You need to go to the Bluetooth and devices option. You can use arrow keys also. So then after hit enter, go to the Bluetooth and devices. Then after again tap on tab to get the right side menu. Now use again and again for go to bottom of the section. Once you here, you can use arrow keys for the go to the bottom. Select the touchpad option, hit enter. If you see touchpad toggle switch on here, you can turn it on. You can use space bar to turn the touchpad on. Then after you done with that, you can press Alt key and F4 to close that one. So next method is enable touchpad using search and keyboard. So first you need to press Windows key and S to open the search. Now you need to type turn the touchpad on or off. It will come you to the here the previous menu also. So you can turn it on from here using your space bar and tab key. Some of the laptop has function keys to turn the touchpad on or off. You can see touchpad icon mark on your laptop keyboard. It could be function plus F7, function plus F9 kind of key. You can try to do that keyboard combination for activate and deactivate touchpad also. So the next method is you can use virtual touchpad if the current touchpad is not working. So first you need to press the shift and F10 on your keyboard. Then after use your arrow keys for go to the bottom and select the personalize option. Okay, you can use tab key. Then after your arrow keys, go to the taskbar option, hit enter. So again you need to use your tab key, go to the bottom. So you can see there is the option called virtual touchpad. Simply tap on space bar to turn it on. So you can use virtual touchpad icon. So these are the methods you can try to enable touchpad on your laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.